Alex, who's that?
Ben.
Ben and who?
Ben and
Sasha. Who do you like more, Ben or Sasha?
who do you like better, Ben or Sasha? Sasha.
Good girl. Good guys.
Can you draw Katie?
Beautiful.
Oh, where are my eyes? I need eyes. Eyes?
Ice.
Way down there. Nose?
No.
Where's Katie's
my
nose?
Where's my mouth?
Mouse.
Yep, draw my mouth. Happy.
Happy.
Okay, where's my body?
Where's her legs? Good.
Yes. Yes. Neck.
Looks just like
I
Katie.
know.
If
It's like I'm
Picasso
looking in the
draws
mirror.
you.
If Picasso
Picasso's
drew
not that
me.
this kid.
Shoes? Oh, you're giving Ben shoes?
Sasha.
Sasha doesn't wear shoes.
Your doggy boots.
Mouse.
Your brother's silly.
Huh?
Sasha wearing a hat?
Yeah, she should.
Wow.
No.
Does Ben get a hat?
Hold on.
Right there. Right in his bald spot.
Woo. Snap.
Beautiful, Alex.
Sasha.
Is she still in there?
Sasha. Ben.
Ben, where's Katie?
All over the place.
All over. Got some eyes, I've got an ear. Does Katie get a hat?
Okay.
Okay.
Now, which part of the body gets a hat?
Kiki. Kiki.
My turn?
Okay.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye, Ben. Bye, Sasha.
Blow kisses.
Kisses.
Ben.
All gone.